Doctors of Reddit. What did a patient say that made you rethink everything? 1. Doc, I just wanted someone to listen. I had an elderly patient who came in complaining of chest pain. After running tests, we found nothing wrong. As I was about to send him home, he sighed and said, Doc, I just wanted someone to listen. That hit me hard. I had been so focused on diagnosing him that I hadn't considered his loneliness. Now, I always take an extra minute to really talk to my patients. Sometimes they don't need medicine. They just need to be heard. 2. The woman who knew her own diagnosis. A woman came in with vague symptoms, fatigue, dizziness, just feeling off. Every test came back normal, but she kept saying, something isn't right. I know my body. A few weeks later, she was diagnosed with a rare autoimmune disease. That experience completely changed how I practice medicine. Never ignore a patient who insists something is wrong, even if the tests don't show it. They know their body better than any lab result. 3. You're the first person to believe me. I had a teenage girl come in with severe stomach pain. Every other doctor dismissed it as anxiety, but something in her voice made me dig deeper. Turns out she had endometriosis, and it had been causing her pain for years. When I gave her the diagnosis, she broke down crying and said, You're the first person to believe me. That moment changed me. Now, I never dismiss a patient's pain, just because it doesn't fit neatly into a diagnosis. 4. The dying man's regret. I once cared for a man in his final days. He told me, Doc, I spent my whole life working for a retirement I'll never get to enjoy. Don't make the same mistake. That conversation still haunts me. I used to take extra shifts, thinking I was building a better future. Now, I make time for my family, for life outside of work. Because in the end, no one wishes they had spent more time at the office.